Hello and welcome. This is Gulshad Ansari, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a roof in your architectural project. You can see here in architecture tab we have different types of roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, so on. So I want to create a roof by footprint. Click here and you have to select in this drop down menu where you want to create a roof. So I want to create a roof floor plan. So I want to create a roof at roof floor. So I will select here roof floor and then click yes. Now we have to go at the roof floor plan. I will click here roof floor. You can see here is the roof floor, but here is no walls visible. How it will show? I will cancel this roof from here, and now you can see without select anything, you can see here in the properties palette underlay rollout, you can see range base level. So if I want to see down at first floor, I will select here first floor and I am looking down. You can see here, and now you can see we have walls visible here, so we can create a roof very easy. Now click here roof by footprint and select any roof from this selector menu, or you can edit it from here. You can edit structure for this roof and you can see also preview from here. This is our roof preview, and if you will click here edit type, you can manage the structure for this roof. You can change the thickness and the layer also. Here are different types of layers. You can see already added in this predefined roof, and you can modify this. If you want to delete any layer, select this one and delete from here. If you want to insert any layer, you can insert from here. So for me it's okay, I am not changing in this roof. Then click OK. Now I want to create a roof here. So you can draw your geometry from here, and you can also pick lines using this tool, pick lines, or you can also pick walls. If you will click here pick walls, you can pick the walls, but if you want the overhang, you can give any value here. I want 1000 overhang, I will give the value 1000 mm. And you can see when I bring my cursor at this wall, you can see the line is visible for roof. So I want to click in one time. How it will come? When you will bring your cursor at this wall and hit the tab key in your keyboard, now you can see we have selected all walls. Then click. You can see here with all edges we have some triangles here. You can see it shows that our roof has a slope. So I will finish from here, and I can see in 3D view also we have sloped roof. You can manage slope for this roof by selecting the roof. You can change it from properties palette. If you want to change any number, you can give the any number here for angle. But if you don't want any slope in this roof, you can select this roof and you can edit it anytime. Edit footprint, and you will select all edges and click here define slope. Uncheck this option and this, then finish edit mode. Now you can see we have a flat roof. If you want slope but not all edges, only 2 edges or 3 edges, you can do this also. You select this roof and click here edit footprint. If you want in these lines only, in these 2 lines, select 2 lines and click here define slope, then finish edit mode. Now you can see we have created a roof with 2-line slope. Now if you want to attach the walls with this roof, what you have to do? You have to select the walls from here, select all the walls, but you can see we have selected doors and windows with this wall. Now you can filter your selection, click here filter, click here check none. I want to select only walls, not door and windows. I want to only walls. Then click OK. Now you can see the option for attach top or base. Click here, and what you want to attach, top or base? I want to attach the top. Select here top and click on this roof. Now you can see we have attached our wall with this roof. So you can create using this tool any roof, sloped roof or flat roof. Here is another option by extrusion, roof by extrusion. You can create using extrusion tool. So if I delete this this roof, and if I go to the south elevation, I can see here this is our south elevation, and now I want to create a roof here. Any curved roof you can create also like this, which I am going to tell you. Click here roof by extrusion and select here where you want to create this sketch. It's asking about work plane, so I can click on this wall, I can pick the plane. So I will click here pick a line, then click OK, or you can select this one, pick a plane, then click OK. Now you can pick this wall. So I will click here, then where you want to create this roof. I want to create at roof floor, but I don't want any offset. I want it 0 level at roof floor. Then click OK. Now you can select any roof properties from here, and you can also edit the roof from here. And if you want to edit the structure, you can edit this structure. And if you don't want it 400 mm thick, if you want it 150 mm thick, you can give the value 150. And if you want to give any material, you can change the material from here. Or if you want to insert any layer, you can insert also any layer and give the thickness and the material. So I am not giving any layer, I only want this 150 mm. Then click OK. And I want to rename also this one, I want it 150 mm. Then click OK. OK. Now you can create any sketch here. If you want to create any curved roof, you can use the arc tool. Click here arc, and I am using arc like this and like this. You can also modify it anytime. And you can use your arrow key in your keyboard up and down like this, and then finish edit mode. Now you can see we have created a curved roof. But if you want to change the width for this roof according to your rooms, you can go to top view and select this roof, and you can change it from here like this. Here is our curved roof. If you want to attach the walls with this roof, you can attach the walls. Select all walls like this, and you can filter your selection and click here attach top base top, then click on this roof. Now you can see we have created a curved roof in our project. You can give any shape to this roof, or if you want to create any flat roof or sloped roof, you can use this tool, roof by footprint, or if you want to create any roof like this, you can use by extrusion. So using these tools you can create any type of roofs in your project. In the next video I will teach you how to create stairs in your project. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for daily videos and give your feedback in comment. So I will wait for your comment, and please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.